Good morning, students. It's Ms. Spring. I thought I would make a little video to show you how to get started in your lessons. So the first thing I did was I clicked on my math tile that was on my dashboard. You should have math, science, social studies, language arts, homeroom, and whatever your special is. I chose math, but you can choose whichever one you are feeling passionate about right now. You'll see on the page, it has to do this week. These are all of the assignments that you will be doing this week. I'm going to ask you not to click on those right now because you'll need to do your lessons to learn the content first. So you're going to move your cursor over to modules and click there. Your screen will look a little different than mine. On your screen, you will only have the lessons that you need to do this week, and they'll be set so that you have to do them in sequence. I'm working with my teacher screen right now. So you will click on this first link here, Module 1 Pretest. Click in. You've got some stuff to read. Remember, you can use that text reader to help you. It's going to tell you what the assignment is here. And you are going to, I hope I can move this over. See this next button here at the bottom? This is how you're going to get to that assignment. The arrows at the top move you through the lesson. Page 1 of 1. We're done with that. We're going to move next to get to the pretest. You would start the test and submit it. I'm going to click next just to show you what you would do next. When you're done with that pretest, it's going to bring you right to the next lesson. Now look up here at the top, it says 1 of 6. You're going to read the page. You're going to do any activities that are here. And then you're going to click up here, this top green button for next page. There's some activities for you to do here. Make sure you do that. Keep scrolling down. There's a lot on each page. Okay, quiz time. Do I hit the next button at the bottom or the arrow at the top? That's right, we're still in the lesson. So you're going to want to hit this green arrow for the next page. You'll do that until you've gotten through the whole lesson, although I don't want you to miss that there may be assignments for you to print out within the lesson. There'll be a little printer symbol, just like this one right here. So you'll click on that, print out this, and then go back to the main lesson. Do your work. So now I'm on this page still. I've done my count to solve activity. I'm going to hit the green arrow again. Going through the whole lesson that way. I want you to see on the last page it's going to say, did you read the lesson? Did you complete all the activities in the lesson? Awesome. Complete and submit the Drawn to Count quiz. Now we're on page 6 of 6. This is the last page in the lesson. So I can't click up here. Actually, I can. Let me show you what happens if you do. You skip the quiz. You're on the next lesson. You're probably thinking, where was that quiz? Just go back. It's this next button at the bottom. That's what gets you in and out of assignments that you need to hand in. So we would hit next. Okay. If you miss, see if I can go back to the page we started on. It'll be a little tricky for me. If you were to miss an assignment, you just didn't see it, that is where this page might come in handy. You want to make sure that you've done all of these assignments here. These are things that get submitted to me. I can't wait to see your work. If things get tricky, That is what our one-on-one meetings are for. You can also try to reach me by email. And remember, I have some office hours. I am here for you. Let's have a great week of learning.